So students, in a previous video we have understand and we have discussed the theme of the organic chemistry. So as per theme, first we are going to studying the definition of alcohol. Definition of alcohol. So here alcohols are the organic compounds. Every alcohols we are going to studying the section of organic compounds. You know very well the organic compounds. If you are saying, then there should be a what? A carbon containing compounds. Carbon containing compounds, right? If this carbon chain or a carbon which is connected by this OH group, this OH group directly attached to the what? Carbon compound. So to that one we are saying this one is a alcoholic compound or alcohols. You know very well the carbon valency is 4, so we are filling here carbon valency 4 4 4 everywhere. If you are considering this carbon, so here 1 2 3 4, for this carbon we will have a 4 valency, to this carbon 4, to this carbon 4, to this carbon 4, and oxygen has a 2 1 2, hydrogen has a 1. Due to the presence of this OH group, which indicates presence of this OH group, which indicates what? This compound concerned to alcohol or related to the alcohol. So how can we define? The alcohols are the organic compounds in which the OH group is directly attached to the alkyl. Here main important thing is alkyl. Alkyl and are alkyl group. Alkyl and are alkyl group. So here alkyl means the long chain carbon atoms or long chain carbon chains, that for example CH3 it may be, or CH3 CH2. If our OH is attached to the CH3 methyl group, OH is attached to the CH2 CH3 ethyl group, so this one we are considering as a what? Alkyl group. And here alkyl, means benzene ring, so shortly we will write AR, or we will write benzene ring like this. So now alkyl we know C, if there is a C then attached by this OH, so OH is attached to the benzene ring through this carbon C. So we know the valency 1 2, this one 3 4, directly I will write 1 2, so 2 hydrogen we needed, so I will write here H2 like this. So this one are alk group or alkyl groups connected by OH. So this is what definition of alcohols. What is that? The alcohols are the organic compounds which is OH attached to the what? Alkyl and or alkyl groups. Next we are going to studying the classification or types. Here the types we can made into two different sections. One is based on, so that is classification. So one is based on the hydroxy group present in alcohol. Hydroxy group means the OH group present in alcohol. For example, I will write first one CH3 CH2. So here I will use only one OH, then another one CH2 CH2. Here you can know here 1 2 3. So H2, one hydrogen, two hydrogen. Another bond we needed, that we are going to fulfilling by OH. Next another one is CH, CH, then CH. So if I am writing here OH, OH, then OH. So here 1 2. So here two hydrogens needed, 1 2, then 3, then 4, CH2. Then another one here CH2, 1 2 3 4. Already it is over. Next 1 2 3, another NH is we needed. So here you can see only one OH is present, here two OH groups are present, here three OH groups are present. So we can say this one is on the basis of number of OH groups we can classify like this. So how it is, the OH group attached to the carbon, here only one hydroxy group, here two, here three groups are present, that is OH groups are present. So here first compound we are calling as a mono, right? Why we are calling as a mono? Because it is containing only one OH group, that is monohydric alcohol. This one dihydric alcohol. This one tri. Why we are saying tri? Because 1 2 3 trihydric alcohol, right? This is the one way how to we classify the alcohol. If we are having more than 3 OH groups, then that one we are calling as a poly, right? Polyhydric alcohol. So here this one is ethanol, so this one is ethylene glycol, then this one is a glycol. For polysorbitol is the example. The next another way to classify the organic compounds, that is particularly alcohol. How can we classify the alcohol in another way? Based on primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Dear students, we already know how to write the primary, secondary, tertiary, and we have discussed in the haloalkanes chapter in detail. So I will write here directly. If one carbon, right, one carbon is having, you just see first valency of the carbon, right? There are 4 valency of the carbon. So we are discussing the alcohol. I will introduce one OH here. So let us here, this C is surrounded by one CH3. In our books they have shown by R. If our H is surrounded by two CH3 compounds, if our C carbon, center carbon is surrounded by 3 CH3, right? CH3, CH3, CH3. See, the central carbon is surrounded by 3 methyl groups, that is CH3 groups we are considering as a tertiary. If a carbon is surrounded by 2 methyl groups, we are considering as a secondary. If our carbon is surrounded by only one methyl group, we are considering as a primary alcohol. What? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Why we are saying alcohol? Due to the presence of OH group which is directly connected to the or bonded to the carbon. So this is the another way how can we classify the what primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, particularly for the what alcohol classification. So this is all about the classification. In the next class we will see, or in the next video we will see, how can we write the common name and IUPAC name for the alcohols. Thank you.